Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor how-to video. So in this video, I'm going to show you something that is quite common on the Ford Explorers. So if you're, when I have seen it the most is actually on the passenger side, but it may occur also on the driver side. But if your regular low beams are on, and then you flick the for the actual high beams, and your high beam does not go on, okay, before you start looking into changing light bulbs, okay, even though they are cheap, you need to take a look at this before, okay, if you have an interceptor package. Okay, so this is a 2016 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor that we're getting ready. So I wanted to show you what the common issue and how to fix it, which I know what the issue is and how to fix it. So here we go. All right, so the first thing you want to do obviously is turn on your lights, right? Turn on your lights and then test them out, see if your high beams are actually on. In my situation, the high beam is not on. The regular ones are on, but the high beam is not. So I will show you now. So there's our regular low beams. Okay. This one I went ahead and disconnected because I know where the issue is. So let me just bypass it and let you guys know how to fix it. Okay. So bottom line, this side, it does turn on like this. Okay. I just unplugged it. Okay. But when you turn on the high beams, it does not work. Okay, so you don't get that brownish colored on the actual headlight. Okay, so I'll show you that color. So you see that, how we got a nice little brownish color here, and then the I guess the halogen on this side. So on this side, we will have this one turn on, but this one does not on. Okay, so let me show you what to look for before you start replacing light bulbs. Okay, you want to come to the passenger side, okay, and go where the connections are at. Okay, connections are right here. You see that? So right here. Okay, so I went ahead and unplugged it, but look at the common issue. Okay, you see that? You see that purple wire that's there? Okay, that purple wire triggers the actual high beam. So you see that right here? Okay, that I guess connector. So they went ahead and spliced, and unfortunately this connector got loose, and it's no longer working. Oops, the camera is not, there it is. So what you need to do is, again guys, connect this one to that red connector there. So in other words, it's another wire. So you could I'm going to splice this here, remove it, and then I'm going to remove whatever plastic connector might be there, and then reconnect. Maybe I might extend the wire and then reseal with black tape. Okay, so let me go and do that. So look guys, there is the I'm gonna show you the actual connector. Hard to see here. So there it is. You see the pink wire that's on the bottom right there, and then that will connect to the red right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I could try to get that end and put it in here, and then go ahead and clip this on correctly. Okay, and see if it works. Well, it's gonna work, but like that I don't have to extend the wire. Okay, so let me see if I can do that. All right guys, so this is what we had to do. We tried to connect the wires together, but we couldn't because it was too short. So we ended up using some of that, and I'll show you what they are. They're just like I'll show you right now. But so we ended up getting a longer wire. We connected it here, and then we went in it we heated this up, let it make sure that there's no water that goes in it. Okay, so we connected the both wires here and on the other side as well. And yeah, and then we're gonna put some liquid tape, electrical tape on this, and then we should be done. All right, so let's take a look here. So this is actually what I used, some of these. Okay, and then we went ahead and connected both wires, and then we went ahead and obviously put some heat. It's like a heat shrink material, and then that's it. Okay, so we pressed the middle with both wires together, we compressed them, and then we heat shrinked it with some with a lighter. Okay, so all right, so now let me go ahead and put the liquid black tape, electrical tape, and then we should be good. This is the electric liquid tape that we use. Okay, so got some of that and applied it. You see that? I applied it here and I applied it right there on both sides like that. It's able to keep any moisture out. All right, so let it dry for a few minutes and then reconnect, and then that should solve your high beam issue on your police interceptor. All right, guys, so let's take a look. All right, and there you have it, guys. High beams on your police interceptor, now fully functioning. So both lights, highs and lows, highs and lows. Okay, so before you start changing any light bulbs, check that purple wire, okay, that connects to the actual on the pigtail on the actual headlight, okay, bulb, and then see if it's disconnected. All right, guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, if you if you have this issue, and hopefully if you I was able to help you out, so consider subscribing, consider hitting the like button for some more cool videos like these. Okay, all right, guys, peace.